test drive the 2013 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, rear lip spoiler, brake assist, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.